So I hope this recording will help you with your questions. Your first question about why this objects don't have so many grips compared to that one. Well, with AutoCAD, whenever you manipulate a solid, which I'm going to build now, and this solid by itself, when it's first built, nothing changed. I have all the grips. Now, if I were to copy that solid and then union the two, it's a Boolean operation they call it. Now notice that those grips has disappeared. Now I only get one. But I could still change things. Unlike what you were trying to do with doing a control cross window, you could actually just control and select the edge and do the same thing here. And notice that those are the grips that you could select and stretch up. So again, control, select, and then of course you could stretch. So that's the way to deal with solids that's been manipulated and changed. And as for your question about this not being able to do a control select, notice that the lock actually is because of this object. This object is locked. Well, a way to deal with solids is that you really have to get stuff out of the way. So you could freeze that layer just to get it out of the way, so that now you could do your control select as you desire. But again, you have all these other objects to deal with, and again, you have a mess. So what you did with copying out here is one way, or if there's a way you could isolate just this object, turning off or freezing like what I did here would be the best bet to go. And then you could then do the same thing where, as I mentioned, you could select, do your control to select, and then get really close here because there's like multiple objects going on here. Control to select, and notice that the red comes up, and you can stretch that, right? You could of course rotate this guy and get really close, and again do the same thing with this. And this one allows you to stretch this way because it has not been changed. Once you do a Boolean function, then you won't be able to do this like that. You have to again use the control, and it still works now with the control. Select the object, and you can still do that. All right, I hope this helps you.